This message is brought to you by Space Corp, Pioneers of Tomorrow.
3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
We are Space Corp, pioneers in the development of tomorrow. Human-centered leaders in energy production, technological innovation, and manufacturing for the modern man. Creators of a universe that accelerates your world's transition to living among the stars. We bring the comfort of home to planetary exploration and habitation. With the aid of our state-of-the-art androids, life becomes yours again. So make memories with us for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow.
A mysterious illness has resulted in thousands of deaths.
Sources say a
At this
poisonous
time,
plant is the
Space
cause,
Corp has
and that when inhaled, death is...
Space Corp has just released a statement saying they will be returning to Earth.
Infrastructure neglect has led to widespread ruin.
Boxing
poverty,
among robots has taken economic
This
control.
just in. The city's gravitational mechanisms are failing.
neglect
X-Space
allegations.
or Leo-
Space Corp has refused to comment. Space Corp claimed they were with us yesterday and today. But what about tomorrow?